Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix your Google Assistant if Google Assistant is not recognizing you or is not opening or any other issue is coming, how you can solve this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings, go to apps, and here you have to type Assistant, Google Assistant. It is not showing. If it is not showing here, then you have to just simply go to Assistant like this and tap on I button. You can see app information, just clear the cache, and if it is not there, then you have to clear all the data like this, and then simply open the Assistant. You can set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hey Google, disable the 7 a.m. alarm. Hey Google, disable the 7 a.m. alarm. You can see the 7 a.m. alarm is removed. If it is not working, then you have to simply clear all data and restart your mobile phone. It will be working. And if it is not, then you have to just click on the Assistant and set up your Google Assistant. It will be working fine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.